Vidcon day 2, baby. Breakfast bar.
Breakfast.
Decent.
52 people.
Throw that thing in there.
Alright.
Out here day 1 here at VidCon.
No, I didn't hear what you said, so I just kind of tried.
It's kind of frigid.
Like it's nerve for nothing, bud.
We're cooking in here.
Hell yeah, we are. I don't even know where I'm going right now, honestly.
Just gonna send it, I guess. That's all we ever say. What is it? A war zone in there? We might have to hit this place. World War II. I have to hit this place up in it. Oh boy, that's dope. We're gonna have to get up in this. Where's he at though? I don't know. I say we get up in this sometime. Show him really who's daddy.
Come on, Skyler.
Alright, sweet. If you do that, you let go, and then you can use that to take off.
I represent Flip-Ins, Yulu, Flip Anywhere. If you haven't subbed to Skyler yet, go do it right now. Smash that button.
Oh no, Rebecca Black and I are going to be helping you break some world records today. Let me tell you what happens. You wait in that line. You get to the front of the line. Congratulations, you're already doing a lot.
We're just gonna be out here standing on the Ferris wheel. Getting by and flying high. Need to find something to eat, honestly. I need some food.
Hey everyone! Hi guys! Yo, what's happening? Yo, Vidcon! Yeah! Vidcon 2K18!
So we're actually still out here.
Great weather on.
Getting it. Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. Weather out here is actually
pristine weather conditions.
It's amazing. Got palm trees everywhere. I've actually really never even seen palm trees.
Making friends.
Plenty of friends. Every time anyone sees my camera, they're like, I want to be in the vlog. I was like, all right, get in it, I guess.
We're not famous yet, folks.
Everyone wants to know if we're famous. We tell them no, and they're like, I don't mess with that. I'm like, whatever.
Stay tuned.
I mean, if we can get, I don't know. We'll see what happens.
This is only the beginning.
So yeah, mark my words. This is the beginning, right here, right here.
Oh yeah, what are we doing?
We're vlogging right now.
Oh, cool.
We got Noah Boat here.
What's going on, bro? What's your name?
I'm Skyler.
Sky, nice to meet you. First VidCon or?
Yeah, this is my first one.
How's it going?
man?
Dude, I just followed you the other day. Like, I saw you commented on something. I was like, no way, it's my boy Rhino.
Oh, word.
Yeah, I don't know. I forget what it was, but
We out here,
Yo,
VidCon, man. 2018.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, you guys come here like a lot, or?
It's my fourth VidCon.
Is it?
Oh wait.
You guys from the DMV area?
Yeah, correct, man. Where are you from?
Pennsylvania. So I mean,
Oh, yeah, we're from
right up the
we're
street.
in Philly. We're in
so-
Philly right now.
Oh, really? Cool. That's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Oh, you did? Oh, sweet. Nice to meet you.
it was
man.
nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you, bro.
Those are my boys right there. Who are they? That's my boy Rhino. No Boat and Rhino right there. It's lit.
Connections.
Connection, yeah. They're from like Maryland, I think. So I mean,
DMV.
the DMV area.
all right. It's my boy. You said Matt, right?
Cole.
Cool. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's alright, my dude.
Alright, he makes gaming live stream.
Yeah, I live stream games.
Yeah. So that's cool. He's taking a nap.
Yeah, no, I was just chilling, taking a nap. All this freaking walking.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, there's quite a bit to do here, actually.
Well, yeah, there is. Like, if you go down to like the expo hall, have you been down there?
Yeah.
There's like so much to do, but I'm alone, so I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Right.
It's weird just being alone, doing your own thing.
I agree.
High fives all around. Hi guys, I'm Skyler Wilsoncroft. This is my crib. Mike, you trying to lay? This bed is actually really soft. This is like the community bed. Check this out. We got sheep number 1. He said I could cuddle. Give me the sheep.
What's up, guys? You guys trying to cuddle? Obviously.
Alright, we're nearing the end of the day here. We're walking down to 7-Eleven. They have the 8 bone-in chicken wings for $5, so I'm gonna give those a... That's a steal, boys! We're gonna give that a try. Hoping to find some Hubert's lemonade. That'd make my night a little bit more smoother. I'm looking at the screen, not the lens.
Weather's great again.
It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
It's probably like low 70s right now. Could warm up a little bit, then we'd be a little sticky.
Clementine.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Out here on Clementine Street. Got the, I switched lenses actually. We're on the 24mm lens, the 2.8. We were on the kit lens, the 18 to 55.
Some honeys over there.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Oh! That sounds like my car.
It's not, it doesn't have too much longer to live by. Jeez, Clyde.
ISO's at 6400, so I'm not sure what that looks like. Might be a little bit of noise. Might see what he likes, see what he doesn't. And hopefully he's gonna buy some sneakers.
Made it back. Got the Hubert's lemonade, like I said, and we got the 8 for $5 wings. We got spicy and we got buffalo. I'm thinking
We could have got 25 tater tots for $2.
could've. That's actually a deal.
That is not bad.
Just think, 50 tater tots for $4. I don't even know if you can eat 50 tater tots.
There's no way.
You have to have the right.
We smell like gas coal.
I would imagine. See, try to get that good lighting. See, the thing is, you have to have the good dipping sauces. You don't have the best dipping sauces. You gotta have like ranch and buffalo. Chipotle sauce is good. Boom boom sauce. Otherwise, you can't eat them. They're just dry. You know?
Miss me with that.
Miss you with it. Anyway, that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you for watching.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Give it a like if you thought. Yeah, that's only the beginning. Remember that. That was from earlier today. I'm gonna eat my wings, drink my lemonade, probably get a shower, go through all my feeds and my phone. Like the video if you liked it.
Getting drunk on lemonade.
Non-alcoholic lemonade. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos, and click the bell for notifications if you want to know when I post videos. And that'll be all from me, so see you guys later.